Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure passive income with Fundrise easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure passive income with Fundrise, start by visiting the Fundrise website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email, and password. Once registered, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your Fundrise account. Complete your investor profile by answering questions about your investment goals. Review the investment options available on the platform. Select a starter plan that aligns with your financial objectives. Fundrise typically offers several investment plans, from income-focused to growth-oriented. After choosing a plan, click on the Invest Now button. Decide how much money you want to invest. Enter the investment amount, keeping in mind Fundrise minimum investment requirements. Review the summary of your investment, including risks and expected returns. If everything looks good, confirm your investment. Once your account is funded, you can monitor your investments through the dashboard. Fundrise provides updates and performance reports, which you can access anytime. Consider reinvesting dividends to maximize your passive income potential. Explore additional features like automatic investing for seamless growth. Use the mobile app for on-the-go access to your investment portfolio. Commit to a long-term investment strategy, as real estate often requires time to realize returns. Stay informed about the real estate market by reading Fundrise insights and reports. Regularly review your investment strategy to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. By following these steps, you can effectively configure passive income through Fundrise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.